Right, hi there. So this is the 80cc bicycle engine kit from Banggood.com. This is just going to be an unboxing and just take a look at the bits and pieces, okay? So we get one manual, how to install it and fix it up. Seems reasonably good. Here is the gas tank. No dents in it, looks okay. And there's a gas cap and the mounting kit for the bottom of the gas tank there. In here we've got various parts. Spark plug, fuel shut off, and a spark plug socket there as well, and other various parts. This must be the clutch lever to engage the engine. Here's the chain tensioner, which is actually looks pretty beefy actually. This must be the ignition coil here. Yep, ignition coil goes to the spark plug. A heavy duty bike chain. Some more mounting hardware to mount the engine. Some mounting hardware here to mount the sprocket to the rear wheel where the spokes are. A fuel filter. This must be either the throttle or the clutch cable. Oh, this must be the exhaust. Yeah, it's actually quite a large exhaust. You can actually take the end off, can as well. It might give a bit of a performance increase actually. And then here is a chain guard, and that's it. And so here's the carburetor. Little primer on the side here, choke. The air filter is not very big, gotta say. That might be better to put a different air filter on there, a slightly larger one. Probably get a little bit better performance out of the engine, because it's not going to be sucking in much air. Oh, and there's the throttle linkage on the top there, I think. Yeah, that's where the throttle cable goes in. Here's some other bits. Here's the new grips. So here's a grip for the left hand side, and then there's the throttle grip. And here is the kill switch, and the throttle grip fits inside here, and the cable for the throttle comes out here and then goes to the engine. And a piece of fuel pipe there, and a couple of springs, not sure what they're for yet, but I expect we'll find out when we install it. And now the main bit itself, the engine. Oh no, first off, here is the sprocket to fit on the rear wheel, which fits on the left hand side and attaches to the spokes with the mounting kit. And last part, here's the engine. I should think this kit probably weighs about 11 to 12 kilograms, so it's going to add sufficient amount of weight to your bicycle. So yep, here is the engine itself, and there you can see the mounting points which might mount to the bike, and here's where the rear sprocket goes. The chain goes round to the rear sprocket, and then I think this bit here is probably for the clutch. Must be the clutch lever. Then we've got this must be the exhaust this side. Oh yeah, you can see the piston in there. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Got some cables coming out here, obviously for the ignition system. And the clutch assembly must be in this side, I reckon. Yeah, it looks okay. I'm not sure about this paint. I don't think that's high temperature paint. It definitely doesn't feel like it. So yeah, that will probably be peeling off pretty quickly when it heats up, I should think. Right, anyway, I'll get all these bits on the table and we'll take a quick look. Right, so here's all the bits on the table all together. I did actually find out what those two large springs are for. These are for the throttle cable and clutch cable where it passes the engine, so it doesn't burn through these plastic cables. So that's what these are for. And also the chain, it doesn't say what type of chain it is on there, but it does have one of those quick links on there, so you can easily split the chain and remove it. So I haven't actually got a bicycle which this all fit on, so I've actually had to borrow a bicycle and I've got to give it back, so that means when I take all the bits off it, I've got to keep all the parts. I'll show you the bicycle, because this engine kit won't fit on all bicycles. You need a certain amount of space within the triangle of the bike, so I'll quickly show you, and I'll also show you you know, the actual size bike frame that you need. So here's the engine in the frame, and as you can see, the carburetor's on here, and it's just basically touching the top of the frame here. So you need a bicycle frame with at least 34 centimeters inside here, or 13, just over 13 inches it is. 13.5 inches. It just basically fits in there nice. I've got the exhaust on here. I might have to bend the exhaust slightly out this way, possibly. It also comes with a different mounting kit, just in case this here is too short, the studs, so you can fit this actually on the engine here like this, and then have the U-bolt coming through like this, so it will fit to different shape frames. And I've also got the petrol tank on there, doesn't look too bad. Probably suggest putting some rubber in between here to stop the vibrations, so you don't get cracks in the bottom of the fuel tank. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Next video I will be installing it. So the links to this kit will be in the description below and in the comments section. Go and take a look at it. So thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks, I'll see you next time. Bye.